A new warning from local veterinarians. We're told kennel cough is running rampant in the Denver metro area.
And the strain that vets are seeing is making dogs sicker than usual. Fox 31's Ashley Michaels is live in Denver tonight with those details. Ashley.
Yeah, kennel cough is really common, but it's also really contagious. Gets its name because it can be spread really easily through kennels, but also from sharing water bowls, maybe at a brewery, balls at a dog park. And so this is something veterinarians say every pet parent needs to be watching for right now.
Those noses are meant for sniffing, but right now there's something in the air making Denver area dogs very sick.
Kennel cough is a respiratory infectious disease of dogs, and it is crazy this year.
It's highly contagious.
A dog can cough on your leg, and that dog had, kennel cough, and then you walk somewhere and another dog sniffs your leg, and they can literally get it. It's that easy.
Typically, though, it runs its course and is over. This strain is different.
It's more deadly this season.
She says part of the reason is because it's not a virus like usual.
Even with vaccinations, dogs are getting this year.
The cough is caused by bacteria, and it's resistant to the most common drug vets prescribe.
Young, healthy dogs are literally getting terrible pneumonias, and, we're trying to pull them back from the brink of death.
She says she's diagnosed at least 20 cases in just the last 2 weeks.
We worked very hard on multiple cases, hospitalizing on oxygen, multiple antibiotics. One of them did not make it despite all of our treatments.
Catching kennel cough early is the key.
It's a dry hacking cough, but this organism is causing pneumonias, and so sometimes it's a wet hacking cough. And so hack means at the end of the cough, it sounds like there's something stuck in their throat.
That's the first sign to go straight to the doctor.
This is 100% treatable.
And she says the best thing you can do to keep your dog safe from even getting it in the first place is to keep your dog away from other dogs for at least the next few weeks while we're in the height of this part of kennel cough season. It is kind of tied to the summer travel season when families go out of town and board their dogs. So she said cases should start to drop in the months of September and October. Ashley Michaels, Fox 31.